Hey guys, good morning. It's Haley from Glass Court. I'm back again with another workout for you today. We're going to do a waterfall circuit. I'm going to turn this music down for a quick second. All right, we're going to do a waterfall today. So that means we're going to start with high reps, and every exercise we do, we're going to take those reps down just a little bit, okay? So it is time that we probably start getting a little creative with our weights at home. So if you have something to lift today, at the very least, I'm looking for something heavy. If you have two something heavies, that's even better. And if you're looking to make some quick weights, I can send some links in our Glass Quartz email later. But some ideas would be to take water bottles or pop bottles or milk jugs. You can fill them with sand, with dirt, with rocks, whatever you might have. Could be a good way to make something with a little bit more weight to it. If you have dumbbells at home or free weights, that's awesome. Today you're gonna need a set of heavy weights if you have free weights at home, and that is all. We will go down to the floor, but not until much later. So if you wanna have a yoga mat handy, that is also something that might be used in today's workout, okay? So 2 heavy weights, or at the very least 1 heavy weight. You can at least adapt everything with 1 heavy weight. So that would be our vinegar bottle, bleach bottle, laundry detergent, dishwashing detergent, paint can, just something that has some weight to it that you can lift, okay? All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get warmed up here. Let's get our music going. Hopefully that's a good volume. Let's start marching. Here for just a couple more seconds. Ready? Let's take this to a jog. Just jog it in place, nice and easy. Hope everybody's doing okay today. Skip rope. Jumping jacks. Fast feet. Good, just get nice and warmed up here. For 4, 3, 2, squat it. Remember, you don't have to do that little hop. It can be just up and down. 2, 1, jog in place. Skip rope. Want to thank everybody at Glass Quartz again for all the great emails. So good hearing from you guys. Jumping jacks. We love that you're doing the workouts at home and that you get to see us, even though unfortunately we can't see you. Fast feet in 4, 3, 2, fast feet. Keep breathing. Squat it. Four, 3, 2, jog it. Skip rope. So like I said, all you need is 1 heavy for today. If you have 2, that's even better. Keep going. Jumping jacks. Four, 3, 2, fast feet. Squat it. Two more. Bring it down, baby pumps. All right, are we feeling warm? For 4, 3, 2, one. Let's go ahead and bring it up. Nice. Bring that knee up. Rotate the ankle. Wiggle the toes. Switch direction. Bring it back. Ooh, it's feeling warm down here, that's for sure. Should have opened a window. All right, bring that knee up. Rotate, wiggle. Switch it. Bring it back. All right, release. Go ahead and grab a quick drink. We'll get into today's workout. All right, guys, so we have a descending circuit starting with 35 press jacks. So you can use one heavy weight or two light weights, like 2 water bottles. So press jack is right here. We're doing 35, okay? Then we're gonna have our one heavy weight, lateral lunge and swing. So if you have one weight, it's gonna be lunge. Bring it up. Lunge. Bring it up. We're gonna do 15 on each side. Sumo squat and curl. Squat, curl. Squat, curl. So if you have 2 something heavies at home or 2 free weights, feel free to do 2 weights here, okay? Split lunge jump with an oblique twist. Level 1, lunge. You're gonna twist towards the front leg. In and up. Lunge, twist, center, and up. Okay, if you want to take that up a notch, it's going to be jump lunge, twist, in, switch, twist. Here, so you're going to stay down the whole time. Then we have 15 man makers. I'll show you what it looks like with one heavy. Those of you who come to my class, you know these. All right, level 1, you're going to step down. It's 2 renegade rows. So you're going to put that one weight in the middle, switch arms, and then come up, okay? Level 2, same thing. You're going to walk it out, row, row, step it in. You're going to grab onto your weight and lift it overhead. Level 3, jump it out like a burpee, but it's not really a burpee. In and up, okay? If you have 2 weights, you're gonna do it with your 2 weights. All right, so that way you have 1 on each side. Come up for that overhead press. And last thing, single leg squat with a crunch, okay? So your back leg can be on the floor, on your toe. So it's like your kickstand. Otherwise, I want you to try to get it up off the ground for that single leg squat. Okay guys, 10 on each side. If you want for your press jacks again, you can do your water bottle weights. Okay? If you're feeling good, you want to do one heavy, that's cool too. All right, let's get this going, huh? 35 press jacks. All right, hopefully that volume is good for everybody. Are we ready? So either grab onto one heavy, 2 lighter things like your water bottles. We're gonna do this. Ready? All right, 35, let's go. Here's 10. 20. 35 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. One weight. You decide if you want it to be heavier or lighter. I'm gonna grab my real weight. That can be your bottle. So let's go right first. 15, lunge and swing. Lunge and swing. We're doing 15 on each leg. This is 5. Good, I want you to stick that booty back when you're lunging. Weight goes in the heel. Swing that arm up. 13. One more. All right, guys, nice job. Let's switch. This time we're going left. Same move for 15 of them. And if you can't get all the way up with that arm, break it down right there. Come through the shoulder. Okay, here's 5. Chin up, chest up. Keep breathing. All right, guys, we have 5 to go. For 5. 4. 2. And 1. Nice. Okay, sumo squat and curl. So if you have 2 heavies, you can grab them or you can stick with 1. We're going to turn out and widen our stance. We're going to squat and curl. Ready? Here we go. Woo, we got 25 of these. Low impact cardio today. That heart rate should be getting up there, even though we're not jumping around a ton. Come on. All right, guys, here's 9 and 10. Up and squeeze. More than halfway. Good. Up and squeeze those weights. Squeeze your biceps. Squeeze your glutes at the top. All right, you got 5 more. Keep breathing. 3, 2, and 1. Inhale and exhale. Let's get down to 1 weight. Split lunges. So remember, you're either gonna lunge and twist, or you're gonna jump and twist. All right? We're gonna start with the right foot in front. Ready? We've got 20. 1, twist. 2, twist. Or you're gonna come up for 3. Okay, so here's your modification. Or you're jumping, my more advanced. You know who you are. And I lost count. Let's say that is probably 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo, 10 to go. Keep breathing. 5 more. 3, 2. I'm off 1. You got 2 more to go. My bad. Give me 1 more. And time. Woo! All right, guys. Single legs. Oh, man makers. You can't forget those. 1 weight or 2. This is where we burpee, renegade, bring it in, and press. Okay, so you can do this with 1 weight. When you row, you're just gonna switch arms. Sound good? If you don't want to go to the floor, you're gonna stay up right here, and you're gonna give me alternating rows. So if you do not want to go down with your burpee, you are right here. You have 1 weight, you're just gonna pass it off every time, okay? Or 2-handed, bringing it in right here. Sound good? Let's do it. 15, ready? Let's go. So it's row, row, You got this. Here's number 7. Nice wide base with the feet. I don't want to see your hips tilting. Come on. You got this. Here's number 10. Remember, you don't have to jump. You can step it back. Or you're going to stay standing with those rows. Woo! Here's 12. Couple more, you got this. Elbows in. 14. Bring them up. Last one. How we doing? Woo! All right. One weight down. Roll those shoulders out a little bit back and forward. Single leg squat with a twist. So remember, you don't want your foot up, put your toe down for balance. Okay, and we're going to twist when we get to the bottom. 10 on each side, and then a water break. Ready? Let's go. Here's 1, 2, 3. My dumbbells are super awkward for this exercise. I feel like I have no good place to grip. But something's better than nothing, right? 5, 6. Woo! Losing my balance. 2 more. Okay, come on up. Shake out that stable leg. Reset. I'm going to try to get a better grip here for this side. Maybe that'll help. All right, let's switch sides. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, you got this, guys. Take a water break. A well-earned water break. And then we're doing it one more time. Come on, all my glass courts people. You knew that was coming, right? One more time. Starting with 35 press jacks. Got a few more seconds here for your water break. Hope everybody's having a good day so far. I really miss you guys. It's getting very lonely, as Nancy has stated, teaching to our iPads in our homes. But that's okay. It makes me feel like you're all in front of me. I'm just imagining that you're all out there getting ready, sweating with me, taking a water break with me right now. We'll be back at it before we know it. All right. We're ready. 35 press jacks. Let's start this round from the top. We're only going through it this one more time, and then we'll change it up. Okay, so press jacks. 1 heavy, 2 lighter weights like water bottles or soup cans, or 1 is fine. If you want to use 1, you're going to hold it on both ends. So you can do 1 water bottle, 1 can, or your 1 heavy. All right, 5 seconds, 35 press jacks. Ready, 2, and 1. Let's go. 15, 20, 25, Lateral lunge and swing. It's one heavy. All right, guys, so it's lunge, swing it up, okay? So if you can swing straight up, go for it. If not, you're gonna come through the shoulder and press. Let's go. 15 to the right. Here's your modification. Or it's straight up. Chin up, chest up. Always keeping the chin above the heart. Stick that booty back. Weights in the heel. All right, guys, 5 more on the right. This should be keeping that heart rate up. Low impact cardio. One more. Nice. Okay, carefully bring that weight down. Switch sides. We lunge left. Ready. Let's go. 15 of them. Here's that modification again. Or that straight swing. I just don't want you to hyperextend the shoulder. So make sure you're able to stop it right outside of the shoulder line so it's a little bit on an angle. Good, keep breathing. Whoa, let's get to 10. Here's 10, 5 more. Okay, so remember keeping that shoulder up straight. Don't let it go behind you. Two more. And done with that side. Okay. Squat and curl. So it's either one heavy or 2. Squat and curl. You decide. All right, guys, ready? Turn those toes out slightly. And if you want, you can take the curl out and just do squats here. Okay, 25. Good, get a nice wide stance going. Keep the back up. Good deal, here's 5. Inhale down, exhale up. Keep those shoulders up high. Chest lifted. 10. Woo! Come on. All right, guys, 10 to go. You can do this. Squeeze at the top. Come on. 5 more. Squeeze. 2. And 1. Nice job. If you had 2 weights, pull 1 down. It's time for that lunge. So remember, you're either going to step it or jump it and twist. Okay? We've got 20. Let's go. Here's 1. Twist. 2. Twist. 3. You're twisting toward the front leg every time. Come on. Here's 9. Here's 10. Halfway. You can do this. Keep your chest up. I'm losing my weight grip here. All right, there we go. Woo! 14. 15. His legs on fire. Mine are. 18. Get that crunch. 1 more. Finish it. All right, nice Nice job, man makers. So it's one heavy or two. Remember, if you don't want to go down to the floor, I want you to stay up. This is your stance. You can alternate with 2 weights, or you can do 1 weight at the same time, or alternate with 1 weight, pass it back and forth. 15 man makers. Let's do it. Row, row, bring it in, overhead. Come on, row, in, press. Let's go. Keep it lean and mean while we're stuck inside. All right, guys, this is 5. Keep going. You got it. Keep those elbows in. Row, row, in and press. Keep going. Wide base with the feet. Here's 10. I don't want your hips to rock when you're rowing. You've got this. Come on, 4 left. We can do anything 4 more times. Keep going. Bring it in. Press. 2 more. Come on. Last one. You guys are so strong. Finish it. Woo! Okay, last exercise. Single leg squat. Remember, if you don't want to pick up a leg, take that back leg. It's on the floor like a kickstand. 10 on each side. Ready. Let's take a breath with me. Inhale and exhale. This is a demanding circuit. That's why we're taking little pauses. Hopefully your heart rate is up, even though we're not jumping as much as normal today. All right, ready for 10, 9, weight is in the front heel, 8, shoulders are down and back, chest is lifted, up and squeeze. I want you to squeeze that front quad right to the bone. For 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Okay, shake it out. Roll the shoulders if you need to. Left. Final 10. Get a water break after this. All right, roll the shoulders down and back. Let's go. Inhale down. Exhale up. Squeeze that quad to your bone. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, guys, come on up. Put that weight down. You burned yourselves a water break. We're gonna change it up. Let's see where we're at. Perfect. Okay. Let me turn my music down just a tad. I hope it's coming through loud enough for the workout. We're gonna do another descending circuit, but new moves. So, this time, you don't need any weights if you don't want them, but your one heavy can stick around for deadlift. So you've got 20 squat jacks. So low, this is your modification. We're doing 20, okay? My more advanced, you guys know you're here. All right? Then deadlifts. So if you just have your one bottle, you're gonna stand feet about shoulder width, soft knees, and you're just gonna tap that to the floor and back up, okay? So we got 15 deadlifts. And if that's not enough stretch for you, turn it sideways. Just make sure it's sealed. Hopefully it was sealed while you were swinging it earlier. And then star toe touch sit-ups. So this is where we'll go down to the floor here. So you're gonna come out, feet are wide. You come up and reach for that opposite toe. Okay, if that doesn't work for you, you're gonna bend your knees and you're gonna do oblique crunches. So elbow to opposite knee. So instead of finger to toe, elbow to knee, okay? And then the finisher, 5 burpees, okay? We're gonna do that at least twice. We'll see how much time we have left after 2 rounds. So starting with 20 squat jacks. Are we all rehydrated? Get one more quick sip for me. I'm gonna turn the music up. Okay, 20 squat jacks. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Deadlifts. Grab your heavy weight. 15. Ready. Here we go. Keep that back nice and flat for me. Squeeze your glutes at the top. It's okay if you don't get down to your toes. Just bend as far as you can. So it can be knees, it can be calves. Just keep your shoulders down and your back flat. No rounding. 5 more. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Okay. Put those weights off to the side and come on down. Either oblique crunches or star sit-ups. We've got 10. Ready? Let's go. For 10, 9, 8. Good. Keep that belly button tight. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 5 burpees. So give yourself a second. Come on up. I'm giving you a couple more seconds because I know we gotta stand up here. Ready? Wall if you need it. 5. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, 20 seconds and we repeat it. Starting with those star jacks. Those of you who take my class, you know my hair is always all over the place. It just went. There she goes. Okay, ready? 20 squat jacks. Let's go. 10. Stay low. Keep breathing. 19, 20. Deadlift. Weights are heavy. 1 or 2. Okay guys, roll those shoulders out. I'm gonna go sideways so you can watch my back. Ready. 15. Knees are soft. Shoulders are down. Do not round. You got it. Here's 5. 6. Remember, only go as far forward as you feel comfortable. Should not hurt. rotation. Here, here, or standing windmill. If you don't want to lay down, you're here. Sorry for not saying that the first round. Sometimes these things just come to me. 10. Ready? Let's go. For 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Time for burpees. Let's bring it up. 5 to finish. In 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's go. Burpees. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Guess what? We're doing it again. Come on, you guys. We haven't even been at it that long, so we are doing it one more time. Starting with squat jacks. Quick drink. Okay, guys. We're going in 5 seconds with 20 squat jacks. In 4, in 3, in 2, and 1. Let's go. 10. Oh, I'm so far away from you guys. Come a little closer. 15. 19, 20, deadlift. Grab the weights, roll the shoulders down and back. Toes are forward, knees are soft, back is flat. Let's go. If your shoulders are rounding, that means your weight might be a little too heavy for this exercise. So next time you need to find something a little bit lighter. But if no rounding, and it feels easy, then you might need something a little heavier. Pause and adjust as needed, right? Good thing about E-classes. You got this. Five more after this one. There are 5. Squeeze your glutes. 4. Belly button is tight. 2. Finish it. Last one. Good. Weights down. Going for those star sit-ups. Once again, you can stay standing and do a windmill. Okay, let's get set up. And let's go. For 10. Reach that toe. 9. 8. 7. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Okay, guys, don't lay down. You're not done. We have 5 burpees to finish. You ready? Okay, let's go. For 5. For 4. 3. 2. And 1. Nice work. Grab a drink. All right, guys, I'm changing up on the fly here. Why don't we do a little core? I thought that might take a little longer than it did, but that's okay. Plank finisher, you guys know I love those. I'm gonna grab a yoga mat. If you have one handy, you can. Okay, so we're gonna just do some planks. We're gonna do a hold. I'm gonna time you on my stopwatch here. So let's start with just a regular, actually let's seesaw it. So we're gonna push, I'll show you sideways. You're gonna push into your toes. Oh, that's horrible form, there we go. And then back through your heels. Toes, heels, okay? All right, guys, so we're gonna do 30 seconds there. Let me get a timer going here. Then we'll maybe do some side planks. We haven't done those in a while. Stopwatch. All right, how we doing? Yeah. All right, guys, hit that plank. And if you want to, you can be on your knees, and you can still just hold it, or you're doing a very little movement. And if you need to do your plank on the wall, you're gonna do the same thing. Toes, flat. Toes, flat. Okay, so there's your standing modification. All right, 30 seconds, ready? Let's do it. So you're gonna push through the toes, through the heels. Toes, heels. Good. Push through the crown of the head the whole time. Keeping everything nice and tight. Pull that belly button in. All right, come on. You guys are doing great. 2, 1, knees down. Child's pose. Okay, good deal. Let's do some side planks. Let's come over to the right side first. So options, you can have that bottom knee down if you want to be up in a high plank. You can also do low plank knee down, or you're gonna have both feet out, or you're gonna go to the wall, same thing, okay? So we're gonna do 30 seconds each side. So pick your poison, let's go. Good, so your shoulder should be right over your elbow or your wrist. I wanna see a nice straight line. Squeeze all the muscles going down this whole bottom side of your body here. And if you want a challenge, you can lift that top leg. Good, hold it. 10 more seconds, not even. You got this. Squeeze. 3, 2, 1, down. Nice job. Okay, carefully switch it over to the other side. Left plank. Same thing, same options. If you're on the wall, just turn over to that other arm. 30 seconds. Get set and go. Good, so making sure that that shoulder is right over your elbow or your wrist. I want a nice straight line. And breathe. Remember, if you're looking for that challenge, lift that top leg. Squeeze everything. Pull your belly button in. Look at that. I talked you guys right to 25 seconds. Keep holding. 2, 1, release. Nice job. Okay, I got one more for you before we do our final hold. We're gonna do some hip dips. All right, you guys know my standards here. So if you're up on the wall, it's just a little twist of the hip. Okay, back and forth. Same with the knees. Otherwise, elbows and toes. Ready? Okay, hit that plank, and you're gonna twist, twist. Okay, so hopefully you can see this well enough. My hips are going down to the mat on each side. Be careful not to over-rotate here. If you're feeling any kind of pain, pull it back a little. Should not be painful, it should be challenging. Keep breathing. And time. Knees down, child's pose. I've got one more hold for you guys, and then we're going to stretch it out, okay? Final plank is 1 minute. 1 minute, okay? We're going to be up 30 seconds. If you want a break, you're going to come down for 10 and then back up for the last 20. My more advanced, I want you to hold the whole minute, okay? So you pick. You can be in high plank on your knees. You can be low plank on your knees. You can be on the wall. I just don't want you to come down until I call that break, okay? You don't need the break. Don't take it. All right? Final minute. Ready? Pick your plank poison. Let's go. So we're holding 30 seconds in whatever kind of plank you like. Good. Nice straight Thanks so much for watching and participating. We're coming up on 30 seconds. That's going to be your 10-second break. Okay, if you need a break, here you go, 10 seconds. Otherwise, my more advanced, I want you up. Get ready to come back and join us, everyone. 2, 1, hit it, final 20. You've got this. Staying strong. 10 more seconds. Squeeze. Pull that core in. 3, 2, 1. Knees down. Child's pose. Yay. Awesome job today, you guys. Okay, let's from that child's pose. Let's walk our hands over to our right side. You can go ahead and push your glute over your left heel. And let's bring it back center. And now let's take it over to the left side, pushing our glute over our right heel. And then carefully coming back center. Good. Coming out of our child's pose, we're just going to go right back onto our chest. Fingertips are going to be next to our rib cage. Spread wide. Inhale. Exhale, pressing up into our cobra. Inhale. And exhale. One more breath here. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Release. Good. Coming down, staying right here. Tuck your toes. Plank position. Downward dog. Good. I'm going to turn sideways for you. Go ahead and pedal those feet, walking your knees in one at a time. Do this at your own pace. For 3, 2, and 1. Bring both heels up and now push them through the floor as far as you can. My hands are slipping here. There we go. Good. Inhale, back into that plank. Exhale, knees down. So we have a nice flat back position right here. Let's go ahead and inhale, arching the back down. The head comes up. Shoulders stay down into our cow. And exhale, arch. Cat. Good. Inhale, arch. Head up. Shoulders down. And exhale, round. Good. Let's release back to that neutral position with the back. I'm coming back toward you here. Take that right arm up in the air. Needle it through. Oh, I apologize for not changing the music. Just realized we were still totally rocking out here. All right, let's come back to center. Good. Let's switch and take that left arm up. Needle it through. And then coming back to center. Very carefully, just go ahead and have a seat right on your bottom. All right, guys, we're just going to do a few more leg stretches here. Get my phone out of the way. Let's take it just to a straddle stretch here. Knees and toes are pointed up. Please be careful not to roll them toward the front. That's not going to be great for our stretching today. So roll your shoulders down and back. Let's just bring it right down center as far as you can, keeping the knees and toes up. And make sure you're breathing. Good job today. All right, guys, let's walk it over to the right foot. Just as far as you can. I want you to feel that hamstring stretch. Good, now walk your hands right across the front, over to the left. Same thing, just as far as you can stretch. Feeling that hamstring stretch. Shouldn't be painful, but you should feel a stretch. Okay. Thanks for tuning in again today. Let's bring it back center and carefully walk yourself back up to a seated position. Go ahead, bring those legs into a nice folded position. 2 deep breaths with me. Inhale and exhale. One more. Inhale and exhale. You guys are all done. A fantastic job. Thank you so much for watching and for doing the workout. And I will see you next time.